Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Indian Express newspaper Sudoku bustle on February 15, 2022. Very hard Sudoku. Column C, we have 4, A2. The three numbers can't come the three cells. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. On fourth grade, three numbers are remaining 3, 6, 9. Sixth row, we have 3 and 9. 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Fifth row and sixth row we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Column E also we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E and column F we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Second row and third row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Ninth row also we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H and column I we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Sixth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row and seventh row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 7. 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Fifth row and sixth row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row and 10th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Column E and column G we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column F and column G we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 10th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G and column B we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fifth row, only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. Fifth grade we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Fourth grid, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column G we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Second row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column B and column D we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells. Second row also we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Third row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. The cells 3 will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Third row and fourth row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells. Column H also we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Eighth row and ninth row we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, the 6 is confirmed here. Column I we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells. Ninth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column B we have 4, so 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Third row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Seventh grade, only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 8th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Second row, only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column H we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column F we have 4, so 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Third row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column H and column I we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells. Third row also we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Third row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 10th row we have 8, So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 9th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 3rd row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 4th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 10th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 4th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.